Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, you know what to do. Please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. That's the only way that you're not going to miss future videos. Like this video. Trust me, that's the only way that you can show me that I must keep making more of these videos. So if you do not like the video, then obviously it means people are not liking it and I have to look for other topics. So if you like the video, if you want me to make more videos on how you can make your own forex robots and stuff like that, especially with this free tool, there are many other free robot builders out there, but I've loved this one. This is not to say that Fxdreema is the only one. No, they are not. There are many others out there, but I found that this one is like simple and straight to the point. So yeah, if you want to see me make more videos concerning this, how you can use it, then definitely like the video, share it with your friends. Guys, I will not say any names, but many of your top robot sellers in South Africa, and I've seen in Australia, the UK, they are using this tool to make the robots that they are selling you for hundreds of dollars, thousands of francs. So if you have a good strategy, it's one tool that you should be thinking about using if you do not know how to program forex robots. Because let's face it, this tool exists for people who do not know the MQL for MQL5 programming language. So you don't need to learn that complex language. You can just come here if you've got a good strategy that you believe works, and then you can simply turn it into a robot using this tool. So this video, I just want to make it quick and short as usual. You guys do not want to watch long videos, so I'm going to make it a quick and short one. So the purpose of this video is maybe a better familiarization, forget my English, familiarization video. I made the first video. If you didn't watch that, it's sort of an introduction, but this one is a more sort of in-depth familiarization for people who want to take this further. So the first thing that you might want to do is to actually register and get an account, and you can log in. Thank you, Microsoft. We're going to have Windows 11, but later I'm still happy with Windows 10. Thank you, Microsoft, for the interruption. Okay, so I was saying you need to register, and you register for a free account. You can try this for free. The thing is, you might not want to register. Trust me, you might not want to register, and you can simply do your things there. But you might want to register just to I think it's the right thing to do just to support this guy. So you might want to register so that you can also access the forums and some of the things. But the guy who is behind this project basically has made everything mostly free. So register or don't register, you can still use this part that people use to create the robots. Then what you will also notice that it says MQ4 there, EX5 there. One drawback for the free account also is that you can only make MQ4 and EX4 robots or indicators, or yeah. So you can only make systems for MT4, MetaTrader 4. If you want to do MetaTrader 5, they do support MetaTrader 5, but then you need to purchase a plan. So here is the thing: if you have money to support, and if you are good with if you want to take your forex robot trade forex robot building to the next level, then you probably want to purchase an account, one of these. So if you have a free account, uh, these are some of the offers that they have. Basically, you can create 30 projects. You can only share 3 projects daily, and there are limitations to the free account. So I thought let's start with this section. So the free account allows you to make 30 projects, and you can share 3 projects on a given day. So, well, it's a good trade-off if you already have 30 good trading strategies. It means with a free account, you can simply create 30 trading robots that you can either sell or that you can actually use to make your money. Then, if you want to take your forex robot building seriously, then certainly you want to remove the limitations there, then you can simply buy their plans. There you can see the plans that they have. So say you don't want to make a robot in MT4, you want to make a robot for MT5. Maybe you want to trade boom and crash, volatility, and stuff like that. So you want to create a robot for that. Then certainly I would advise you to maybe purchase a 1 month plan for $23 US. Then you can access the MT5 part of the builder. Okay, let's go back. Then you can access the MT5 part of the builder. So I think that's clear on that part. The how-tos here, the guys behind this project. Actually, it's one guy. I think it's called Mario. Kudos to him. They have everything that you need, guys. They have everything that you need to make your robots. So you do not need to really crack your head. They have everything that you might need on the how-tos. And I've seen that some people also have started sharing some videos on YouTube on how you can make some of these forex robots and indicators. Look for Fxdreema tutorials. Then there's an instructions section there. You can simply go about through it and see how you can actually use the section that we use to make the forex robots. There's a forum there where you can join a basic community that is sprung around this system. So you need obviously to be registered in order to be in the community and to participate. Then they have a converter there which is supposed to convert your MT4 robots. If you have an MetaTrader 4 robot that has been working good for you and you want to convert it into MT5, like basically from MQL4 to MQL5, then they have this converter that you can use. Unfortunately, again, it's only for paid members. So register and maybe purchase a month package. Yeah, for $23 if you have something that you want to convert to MQL5 or you want to build in MQL5. I think it's a fair trade-off. Then we go to the builder. My internet has gotten slow there. Okay, so that's kind of a familiarization video on this. And obviously we have this section. This is the section that we are most interested in. So when you click here, you basically get rid of that and you've got a bigger screen to work with. So Some of these things I'll cover in the coming videos. These are all the tools and basically the inputs that you could have been typing in your MQL4 or MQL5 editor section. But now, because all these things have been made for you, you do not necessarily need to learn to type all these things. You just need to have that, and if you right click, that's when it does that. If you double click, then it gives you the option to put inputs there. As simple as that. Delete everything. Basically, you are just taking these little blocks. You're just taking these little blocks and you are putting them there. That's all that you're doing. You are not typing anything. You're just taking blocks, putting them there, um, and just making connections. And just making connections. Uh, Instead of typing something to do that, you are basically just taking all these things and uh, just placing them there like that. That's what I love about this. That's what I love about this. So there's trailing stops, and basically they've put everything there that you might need to have when you are building your robot. So there you can have a trailing stop loss, trail what, of course, the stop loss, and when you tick some of these boxes, then those options are immediately available to the person who's going to be playing with the robot on their charts. So that's basically a familiarization video on Forex Fxdreema, and basically everything that you need is here. That's where you get the building blocks for robots and indicators. And like I showed you, it's just a matter of drag and drop blocks, drag and drop, and after that you just save your robot. So if you have questions about this, you can basically leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them. But as we go along, we will be talking about what all this means. You do not need to know MQ4, MQ5. I think for most part, I'm going to show you how to do these robots using the free version. Most people might want to opt for the free version, so I'll try and keep it with the free version. Okay, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section box, share this video. Until next time, bye.